This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Hello there, welcome to the channel. This is Will. Today I want to talk about EasyBot. I'm going to show you what I've been doing for the last 2 months, and actually what I'm doing today. This might be some good news for you if you are planning to give EasyBot a try. And even if you are a user already, well, if you are a user already, you probably heard about this. And maybe this video can help you to decide whether this is a good opportunity for you or not. Before we go there, I want to invite you to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for your support. And if you want to get in touch with me, you can find me on my open Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video. Well, at this point, I guess you already know what is EasyBot, but if you don't, this is a game changer crypto trading bot. With this automation, we have the opportunity to trade safely. Those trades are always closing on profits. The best part is that we have full control of our capital. Our crypto stays always in our exchange account. That right there is giving us great security. We also have transparency. We can see the people behind all of this. We have reports. They are celebrating their 2nd anniversary. A lot of things going on behind this celebration. They have a crypto contest. They're going to have prizes, giveaways. They have an interesting promotion, and that's exactly what I want to show you today. Let me tell you just a little story before we get there. A year ago, I heard about EasyBot. As usual, I wanted to know how much we can make daily, how much we can make a month. Back in those days, I thought the returns were super small. Of course, I was playing with degen sites, the type of platforms that are offering super unsustainable numbers. At the end, all of those sites are going to collapse, right? Anyways, I didn't really pay attention to EasyBot, but a few months ago, I started to see more and more people talking about this opportunity. I wasn't convinced yet, but anyways, I have the track records of transparency. We have security. I can have full control of my capital. I decided to give it a try. I put a couple of thousands here. Now, after 2 months, I start to like this opportunity more and more. The reason why is because I'm sure they're gonna be here for a long term. And still, after the conservative returns they are offering, I believe we're gonna have a better growth here than any other opportunity in the space. If you've been following my channel, you know that my favorite crypto bot is Johnny Blockchain. To me, EasyBot is taking the 2nd place. They are very different anyways, but one of the main reasons I believe the people doesn't want to get into EasyBot is because of the price, the subscription. If you want to run multiple bots, you need to pay a higher yearly subscription. I got the one that gave me 10 bots, paying $250 per year. That one was alright, but if I wanted to run more bots, the next license was almost $1,500 a year. That is a huge difference, so I thought, well, I'm not going to do that. But right now they have a new promo, and this is making the whole thing very interesting. Let me show you. Well, they have the starter package. We pay only $100 per year. This one is giving you 5 bots and 1 API connection. I took the advanced package. On this one, I paid 250 USDT for 1 year. That gave me access to 10 bots, 2 different connections. The VIP package was $1,499. It might be a good option if we are running 100 bots, but I was like, well, I'm gonna need that huge capital here, a substantial amount of money that can cover this 125 USDT per month. That's why I don't even consider this option. But now they have this new VIP package. It only costs 750 USDT, running for 1 year. In this special offer, we can save at 38% on every trade. More or less, we're gonna pay 62 USDT per month. The software service fee on this one is 0.25%. That is lower compared to my previous package. Now in the new package, I have 25 bots. I might not run plus 100 bots, but 25 looks reasonable. We have 5 connections, and now I have 1-on-1 support. That's really good. Here is the thing. This is a special promotion. This is valid only until the 15th of March. Right after the 15th of March, this special offer is going to disappear. That means it's going to go back to 995 USDT per year. But if we subscribe before the 15th of March, we only need to pay this 750 USDT per year. That is going to apply for future renewals. So that is a really good thing because it's not only one time and then the next year goes back to the original price. No, if you subscribe now, then we're going to pay this price lifetime, every single year. I went ahead already, I renew it, you can see that right there. Well, what I did first is I went to my wallet, I click in deposit, I select the crypto that I want to deposit. We also need an extra balance to pay the service fees. That has to be around 5% of the total capital that you are going to trade. And you can see there I have a balance just to cover those fees. My package is already running and I already add a couple of new bots. I'm using only the Binance automation. You have other alternatives if you want to use a different exchange platform. With Binance, the minimum amount for each bot is 600. With the other connections, you can go for a lower amount. I just prefer Binance because I have different sub accounts there. I've been here 2 months and I already generate this much, 536. In the last 30 days, 256. Last 7 days, 119. Today, only today, 17.35. I'm planning to add more, a new bot every single month. Now we have 25 spots and that will really make a difference. As I mentioned in my previous videos, EasyBot is that type of automation designed to run for a long term. To me, it's like doing active holding. Instead, you keep it in your exchange platform. You can put those assets in EasyBot to produce some extra profits. They have an auto compound option, and if you look at this in a long run, the returns are going to be super interesting. On top of that, what I like the most is the security. I have full control of my capital, and as I mentioned already, we don't have losing trades. They are always closing on profits. Well, that's it, guys. This is what I want to show you today. This is exactly what I've been doing inside EasyBot for the last 2 months. If you are considering this one-time opportunity, remember it's going to be valid only until the 15th of March. And if you are new and you just want to give it a try, they have a free version. All you need to do is register, run your API connection and give it a try. See how that goes first before you take any decision. They have videos showing how to do that. Those ones are super easy to follow. Just after you open your account, you're going to click right here. Select the exchange platform you want to use. Let's say we go for Binance.com and just follow the steps. Also, if you have any questions, you can find me on my open Telegram group. Remember, the link is in the description of this video. This is all that I want to show you today. Thank you so much for sticking here until the end. I hope to see you in the next one. But before we go, I want to invite you to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you in advance for your support, and I hope to see you in the next one. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. Have a wonderful day. Bye.